All right, guys, got the shovel up on the lift. Got everything ahead of it done. I got the airbox off. The only thing I've done so far is soak those cylinders a couple of days, put a battery in it, turn the motor, made sure the starter worked. She cranks away. Carburetor looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like new. There is a crack in that plastic fitting right there. So we're gonna drop the bowl, see if it looks as nice inside as it does outside. If it does, we're gonna start this thing up. Well, guys, that's what we found in there. And does it stink? We're still going to clean this bowl, pull the jet, make sure it's clean, and try giving her a start.
There she is, guys. First startup. Let her fucking burn. Burning off some shit. Well, those cylinders pretty good, so keep an eye on this crack in the inlet fitting.
Burn away.
Let her run a few minutes and see what she's like. Burning the coil off. Whatever's burning off now has hair. There she is, guys. Gone through a little heat cycle. A little more smoke. Sounds fantastic. Now we can start tearing it apart. Well, I just changed the oil. She's purring with that carburetor. Definitely needs to come off and get a rebuild. That's our next step.